I just got my box, so yeah. I feel like I'm gonna open it from Karmaloop.com. See. Okay, so I got my shirt, a red T-shirt. So it's dope. There's this is the order sheet. Okay. That's my shirt. The black obey. See, another box. It's not even a scissor, you know. Here's the snapback. Yeah, I bought like a dope red snapback. I don't even know what that is, but it's just like piss off. Yeah, it's a dope snapback. Yeah. So what I bought, they didn't actually tax me a lot this time. It was only $11, so this was free shipping, so which is pretty dope. Here's the shirt. The shirt I got. Alright, yeah, this is the shirt I got. Obey clothing. So yeah, that's it. Obey snapback. It costs 11.25 for my for the transfer. Yeah, that's it. Peace. I'm gonna make a tutorial probably tomorrow for what it's called, last Christmas, since it's gonna be Christmas Eve tomorrow. So yeah, peace. Subscribe. So yeah, if you wanna buy from Karmaloop, subscribe. I mean, put my subscriber name Ice 19 King for the rep code. And if you there's another promo like earlier, 30% off. Put that promo code, then right under it, the rep code. Put Ice 19 King. You get one extra percent off your purchase. But if there's no promo, just put my name. You get 20% off. So Ice 19 King, and if you're shipping, if you buy from Canada, this time I only got charged 11.25. That's okay, better than last time. But yeah, it's like luck. So if I would still buy from there. It's still cheaper. So yeah, subscribe. Peace.